Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Katrari Dohkha kajela haka arpu terik unawing arjar arpuwe kalarakhe mata kasgi kum ka World Fisheries Day kabasai pelong barakhe mana usnam ya kebala pelong ha office jong ka Directorate of Fisheries Shillong. Haka naga sengi rakhe lewan cimentalang kinong ri Dohkha na kinru tali ki district kata na po East Khasi Hill, East Jintia Hill, West Jintia Hill, West Khasi Hill, South West Khasi Hill, Ribhoy Batgaro Hill district. Haka naga sengi uba siaw halang dahar wade minister bakmi yaka kamri Dohkha ulalong kumukangsan Balai don rakat lang daka Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasi Hill District kong Isawanda lalu bat kiwe-kiwe.
Program for Focus of Fish Culture and Biotechnology.
Ukongsan ulayo aru ban IT yaki tuk-tuk syaki Arnut kinong ri Dohkha lengba ka skim PMMSY na kasokar jela. Layo ru ban sam kusnam syaki nong ri Dohkha na ki distrik uper-uper.
According to the United Nations study, it has revealed that about more than 2/3 of the fishes populations have been fully harvested or they have been fully harvested or extinguished, and about more than 1/3 of the fish population are in the state of decline. Hence, this is why we need to remind each human being living on this planet that it is important that the water, the fishes, any living creatures underwater is important, so that we as human beings can live together hand in hand.
Fisher folk which the Fisheries Department has made, and the immense contributions which the fisheries sector and the aquaculture sector has made and continues to make in ensuring food security, in providing nutrition, in providing employment, in sustaining livelihoods for our rural population and for the people in the state at large. Kong Maulong has laid out the reasons why we celebrate it, and also the various activities which we take up from year to year to give encouragement, especially to our fisher folk. As I was going through the stalls, it was very heartening to see the numerous innovative measures, the innovations which are being made by our fish farmers at the grassroots level, and the constant support which the department is also giving to improve the quality, to give inputs on the latest technologies, to assist our fish farmers, and to ensure that we increase in our annual production in the state of Meghalaya.
Hanya suatu natip hagastik buruk gawin Donkam kumbaar punyo Hajar metric tons hakasistem ya kadok habing bang hagastik jongi. Hanya hawan nyimla mengenai kita mitip. Bang asal sarong ba paniya tu ibi pidai ki fighter pindu sawyang bermeta. Pi persang nila di ban kumno magulong ita jing Donkam hagastik jongi. Kani kita wake example haking make sector. We should be always the fighter. We should always not be the loser. Dari yo sikilo siton. Kamu yo ro kajungi de kajungi. Nimben slow down, nimben slow yang dan nganong ini. Bunse nimse makinuk sektor, agriculture sector, horticulture sector, fisheries sector, hakilian parok. Ni don kita ke musim ini slow yang benar, balai nimla dan produce ke best quality, and don. Mbak berlaku tak. Melalui step nganang bamjah yang kemau dan arja ke Dohkha kami sedih yang kami kedai ke Dohkha lokal kami kedai ke Dohkha kami tiada kami juang bah nampak Andhra Pradesh ngadau ini ngah tes kenang ngabang kenang berok arteli berok arja ke Dohkha kajimbang jong ke lokal fee ngadau ini makrenda wain lo ketaru nisong tuai katis ka fujing kadesha jimbang pemahatan. Wat sekawairu ngalapar karya rekat bagi besar junga. Ngakuak ban move one step more from the fisheries department. Ngakuak ban linglang ya ke fisheries ban ke tourism hak juga por whether indirectly or directly. Kamdei show ke fisheries tanggal ni Dohkha kanderu hakawi kalian kandai kum ga banlong no kecakap ban penai jamin samlah jongi mentakat menginai show nangkan di director usahil amerji udah pasio ya na usah balengin lingi kan ke fisheries bagi tourism mungkin book resort simpelum cakap jokkai hadirin belum cakap bayi bibi yang keraman man bakal ajing bom maka pendiok kamru yang diberi jongi tinggal lau yu nimle baik kata nama ngai bagi farmers di jongi ki officer di jonga ki bateri stuman bataju paiba ngapai bine pangapo ni habang ini stall beper ngasal sorong ngai kita kaki bahe kita kaki barit ki jimbam bekrak mahaja ikom nganong ipi bulsin dan hagawai ke port malik official tours for New York, a food exhibition. House room ada kat kendai mana akos. Ya simpat kumba kendai for art di country. Dan ini stall berita. Tadon tahu berubah pong jaket. Kamu kumlo kumli sepo US dan berpong jaket ada kum kino Meghalaya. Ngalek kena ngaita stall. Yakin dengan farayu. Upadon gawe kau officer juga kawin, bak itu menjual kita mungkin jangan kasih jongi kerja muka. Umari kita pidai nasional. Apa US? Orang ini Shopee pakai ke? Tu iwan naga. Kadang banyak kali iwan kau di pamer jongi. Kira simpan kalau food exhibition. Kat no ada pelinsuh sarong. Ini Meghalaya bentang katu apa tu seperti. Ilai simpan kat US program